So first we're gonna go try for free, and then we're gonna sign in with Google. I put in real estate and it asks for brokerage and if you're a buyer's agent and whatnot. So just fill that out and then it'll go to new lead introductions, process overviews. I have all these options for you. Okay, so now we are in the software and the video pops up in desktop with the record button right here. So what you're gonna wanna do is in the first like 3 to 5 seconds, you're gonna be wanting to introduce yourself. So I grabbed my phone, went to Instagram, just took a photo of a black picture, and then I just did text over and it said how to use video in emails. And that's what you wanna do for your intro. So when people open your email, they're gonna see you smiling and then what you're talking about in that video, whether it's for buyers or sellers or new listings or market updates, any of that kind of stuff, you can just put into Instagram and on your phone. And then you're going to hit record. So after you hit record, you're going to go through your 20 to 30-second video, talk about what you're informing them on. And then if it's too much information, you can always put a link to a full YouTube video below in the text in the email where they can click that and get more information. So what you want to use BombBomb for is specific targeting. So I'm using this to send to all of Real Estate Super Achievers. But when you do it for your clients, you're going to want to say their name. You're going to want to say, hey, Christy, I have a market update for you on your phone or on your whiteboard or whatever you're holding up. So they know that you made this video specifically for them. That's the feeling that we're trying to get across right now is customer service through the roof, right? So make sure you do that and you're not sending it out as an email blast unless it's just broad information about a market update in your city. And then you can kind of tweak the intro for that. And now that our video is recorded, we can go into BombBomb and go over to videos. And then it'll load the videos that you made. And here's my how to use video in email. And then if you go over here to share video, here's my whole video, 17 seconds long. You just click copy for email. And then you go over to your inbox and then you can paste it right there and then add your recipient. So like I said before, what you want to do is put the name of who you're sending it to right here and then what you're discussing with them. And it doesn't have to be on my phone. That was just the most convenient way to do it. I used Instagram to take a black photo and then just put white text over the top of it so it was easy to read. Make sure you have their name in there and then what you're going to be talking about. And you can use anything, a whiteboard, a piece of paper, whatever it is. Just make sure it's custom to the person you're trying to talk to. And then after that, you just add your recipient, subject, and then send it away. So in BombBomb, you can go to Insights and then see how many video plays you got, percentages it was watched, that's just the engagement time, and then face-to-face, so basically how many times people watched it and for how long. The open rate for BombBomb users, they said is 77%, which is about 30% higher than average just regular email sends, which is very good. So if you want to up your marketing game, do this. It is a little time consuming, but I think the end result is definitely worth it, and being able to track everything that you need to track and do everything that you need to do within a video platform is going to be key. Because remember that video right now is the #1 tool in marketing. People lose interest with text and photos just aren't really doing the trick anymore. So switching over to video is going to increase your engagement, your open rate, and hopefully generate some more leads for you guys. So let's go over pricing and see what features come with each plan. So your basic essentials plan is going to be $33 compared to the plus plan, which is going to be $49. And the difference between these two is one's kind of made for bigger businesses and the other one's kind of made for what you guys want. So the essentials plan is kind of what you guys want, and that's at $33 a month. So the difference between Essentials and Plus is basically just a CRM tool that's inside of BombBomb. So if you guys are already set up in MailChimp or a different CRM tool, you don't really need to go with the Plus version. One of the differences is that mass email sending isn't included with the Essential version, but like I said, you can just use your CRM tool with the copy video to email button and then put it into MailChimp. And it'll show up there and you can blast it out to whoever you want that way. One thing I'd like to highlight is that there's a plugin for Google Chrome that allows you to use BombBomb inside of Gmail, so you can make the whole video right inside of it and then send it away to whatever client you're talking to. It makes it very simple and easy to use. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you use the analytics inside of BombBomb, we're talking about tracking this last month. So I want you guys to really focus on those analytics and see how one video performed, and then do a video a little different and see how it performs to a different client. Because then you're gonna be able to tell what you should be incorporating in your next videos to make sure that they are performing to the best of their abilities, right? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will get those answered for you, as well as any new videos that you guys would like to see.